Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I'm going to show you guys how I made this delicious plate of shrimp scampi for my family. I'm going to show you guys from beginning to the end and every single ingredient that I used. So let's get into this video. First ingredient you will need to make shrimp scampi is some shrimp. Make sure it's clean, peeled, and deveined. I bought mine's large, clean, peeled, and already deveined. I just washed it off, but I did have to pull the tail off of them from Walmart. Okay, so that's the first ingredient you will need. Next, you will need some oil and butter. Preferably olive oil, but I don't have olive oil, so I'm using the regular vegetable cooking oil that I have and some unsalted cream butter. You will need some lemon juice and some white cooking wine. I will be squeezing my lemon juice from a lemon. You will need some form of pasta. I'm using some fettuccine noodles because that's what I had in my kitchen. You can use spaghetti noodles. You can use linguine noodles, which is preferred for shrimp scampi, okay? But today in the King's house at Cooking with TK channel, we will be using some fettuccine noodles for our shrimp scampi. First, I'm going to use me some parsley and some onions. The onions always amp up flavor. Now, you do not have to use onions if you don't want to, but you know the parsley is there to make sure it has a pop of color so that it does look delicious. The type of seasoning that I will be using is I will be using some garlic butter shrimp scampi seasoning from McCormick. Okay, I found this seasoning pack in the grocery store. Here at Walmart, I'm pretty sure you can find it at your Walmart as well. But if not, go ahead and get you some garlic, because you can use garlic powder or you can use fresh garlic, preferably fresh garlic, but I have me some squeezed garlic. I'm gonna add a little bit of that in as well. And of course, we will be using some black pepper, so that we can have that flavor on flavor on flavor. I'll be using some crushed red pepper flakes as well, just to amp up a little heat because I like some heat, okay? You don't have to use this if you don't want to. First thing I'm going to do in this pot is prepare my pasta noodles. I'm gonna add in some butter, and I am going to season up my water for boiling my noodles so that the noodles will have some seasoning. If you would like to know what seasoning I'm using this Nature's Morton all-purpose seasoning, okay? Just so the noodles can have some flavor. Okay, so I'm going to add my noodles to my pot, and I'm going to allow these noodles to cook for 9 to 11 minutes according to the package. So while my noodles are cooking, I'm going to add my butter and my oil to my skillet, and I am going to allow the butter to melt and combine with the oil so that I can add my shrimp to the pan. So let's allow this butter to melt in with okay, so I'm putting salt and pepper on the shrimp prior to me adding it to the skillet. Okay, so just add you some black pepper and some salt. Or you can add you some Slap Your Mama seasoning, some Louisiana seasoning. Once your oil and butter has melted and combined together, the next step will be to add in your shrimp. Remember, this recipe calls for large shrimp, so you can use extra large or large shrimp. If you have jumbo shrimp, use that. But whatever you have, go ahead and use it. You will know when your shrimp is ready once it has a little pink color to it. Usually shrimp only takes about 2 minutes per side. So preferably you would cook this shrimp 3 to 4 minutes. I would say 4 minutes. Okay? And your shrimp will have the pink color. So go ahead and place all of your shrimp into the skillet. I am also going to add in my onions while my shrimp are cooking. And I am going to add in the seasoning as well while the shrimp are cooking. Okay. Look at that seasoning. And I'm just going to stir my shrimp around. Yeah. Okay, so my shrimp I have flipped over to the other side. As you can see that it's pink. I'm just going to add in a little bit of this garlic, about 1 tablespoon. I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of the lemon juice. Okay. And then I am going to go in with a tablespoon of the white cooking wine. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and mix all this together. Because it is practically ready. Okay. Okay, so now I am going to mix the noodles and the shrimp and the sauce together. I'm going to pour it in my pan like so. Okay. We are going to sprinkle some parsley for that pop of color to make it look good, y'all. Okay. And this is how you make shrimp scampi. Okay. And you're just gonna toss it to make sure that your pasta gets all of that flavor and that sauce together. You see that? Okay, everyone, so I have plated up my shrimp scampi that I made for my family. The dish that I have my shrimp scampi plated on, I got from the Dollar Tree. To me, it's an elegant dish for serving on, and all of it fitted on the tray. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video on how to make some delicious shrimp scampi. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel, Cooking with TK, for another great dish just like we just made, shrimp scampi. Trust me, y'all, this is bussin'.